Meet Rafael Coelho. He's the executive director at Tidewise, a Brazilian technology-based company that provides autonomous and remotely operated unmanned surface vehicles for maritime operation that reduce environmental impact, operational costs, and risk to human life. The three words Rafael used were safe, autonomous, and service, explaining that Tidewise technology performs unmanned remote inspections in dangerous situations where having a human do it is just too risky. As you can imagine, the Tidewise team spend a lot of time at sea, getting up close and personal with real problems. So this is where inspiration strikes. And when they're not at sea, they are observing solutions and their key principles, then getting new ideas by using the lessons they've learned. Over at Tidewise, the team are driven by the simple yet very important need to develop and apply technology that can reduce the risks to human lives and have a positive impact on the environment.